What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Justin Ox Smith channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the mjjc foam cannon, and if this is something that you guys want to pick up for yourself, in the description box down below, I'm going to link this foam cannon, the exact one, where you'll be able to pick it up. And I'm also going to link some of the detailing supplies that I use whenever I'm washing the vehicles and some stuff that I feel might be helpful to you guys. Also, we just now done a video review on Amazon's cheapest electric pressure washer. That thing absolutely rips, so that'll be linked in the description box down below, as well as I'll put the link to that video to where you guys can go watch that review video. That thing turned out awesome and works very, very well. So I went ahead and opened up the box, guys, right here. We've got the instruction manual. And then I really like this about the foam cannon. So the shape of the cup, it's a lot wider at the base, so it stands up a lot easier. I know some of the foam cannons are super tall and they just tip over, but this one is very, very solid. Very, very good quality plastic, it feels like. And all of the fittings and stuff are all brass and feel very, very high quality. I don't know if you all kind of understand that, but you can just tell when you see stuff when it's cheap. And as far as this nozzle goes, there is nothing cheap looking about this foam cannon. And I really think that it is going to be the best foam cannon that I've ever used. And I've used quite a few of them. I've used 3 or 4 super, super cheap ones. I've used some of the higher end ones. And I think this is going to be a perfect in-between and very, very affordable. So it looks like it does have some filters and stuff. So they do send you some extra filters. And some extra little pieces that may wear out over time. So that's really, really cool that they are worried about the longevity of their product. I feel like that shows you, that they care about their product and that they believe in it lasting. But as with anything, as with a vehicle, stuff like that, there are some parts that may wear out over time and using it. So this looks pretty straightforward. We're just going to screw this onto here. And then once that is screwed onto there, you're going to literally be able to hook that up to your pressure washer wand. And right here, it looks like we've got our tube that's going to mount right here to that little nozzle. And then that's going to drop down in there. And we're going to fill this up with our Zephyr soap, of course. And I will link that in the description box down below. It is the absolute best soap that I have found to use in a foam cannon. It's so foamy. So it is right here, guys. It is the Zephyr Suds Pro 60 Ultimate Clean. This stuff is mean. Like, this soap, it smells good. It foams so good. So we're gonna pour it in here. What you're gonna want to do as far as how much soap to use, you're gonna want to play around with the mixture. Obviously, the more soap you use, the foamier it gets. But if you use a good soap like this, you won't have to use a whole lot. Probably just put in a couple ounces, and that will be giving you the results that you watch in this video, just a couple ounces of soap. This stuff is not really expensive, but it's very high quality. There's a difference. So we will be using some of that and filling our cup up. I also like how big the top of this is. The competitors' foam cannons have the really, really small hole in the top. So it makes filling it up super, super hard, because as soon as you try to fill it up, all of the suds and stuff come out of the top. So this having that bigger lid, the bigger top on it, you're going to be able to fill that up and clean this out a lot easier. So I'm going to go ahead and put this hose on here, and I'm going to go ahead and put some soap and water in here, and then we're going to hook it up to our pressure washer, which, like I said, we've done a video on this. If you're interested in this electric pressure washer, it works very, 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 very well. We're going to go ahead and hook that all up, and as soon as we get all of this stuff hooked up, we're going to go ahead and foam this baby down. First, we're going to give it a good rinse with the pressure washer, and then we're going to foam it down and start washing. And I'm just going to time-lapse all of that. And then as soon as I get done actually washing the truck and using the foam cannon, I'll pretty much sum up my review on it, and that'll be the end of this video. But I appreciate you guys watching, and just stay tuned for this little time-lapse, and I'll be right back with a full review on this foam cannon. All right, guys, so final review on the mjjc foam cannon. The foam is absolutely thick, and I think that partly has to do with the fact that it's an awesome foam cannon, and then I think the other part of that has to do with the awesome soap that I'm using. So make sure to get down there in the description box down below and pick up the soap and the foam cannon, and you can get thick suds that actually stick to the paint. And this paint is ceramic coated, so I don't know if you noticed, but you may kind of think like, oh, well, that's not really super thick because it's just running right off. This paint is ceramic coated, and all of my undercarriage is ceramic coated, so that helps the soap like slide right off. But I can tell you right now, you can trust me on this one, guys. The suds coming out of this foam cannon are super thick. So I will link the pressure washer, I will link the foam cannon, and I will also link the soap that I use in the description box down below, and you can get down there and pick that up. I may throw a couple other detailing supplies down there as well. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. Always remember, everybody starts out as a nobody, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.